Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pull your door key code for your Ford Explorer. So we are going to jump inside this beauty here. This is going to work for a 2020 and up Ford Explorer. This happens to be a 2022, but it makes no difference. You do need two key fobs. You need both your key fobs in order for this to work. The second thing you need to know is where the key fob kind of slot is, and that is in this center console at the very front. Sorry, the lighting is not good in here, you can't see, but there is actually a little key fob slot about that big at the front, like a tray that you can put your key fob in. And the primary purpose of that is if the battery dies in this, and you need to start your vehicle, if you put this key fob in that slot, it'll make a connection and you can start your vehicle with no battery or a low battery. For these purposes though, we are going to pull a key code with it. So watch and learn. It's very simple. We're going to throw this in that key fob slot. So it's down in there, sitting in that location. And we're just going to hit the power button to accessory mode. So not with your foot on the brake. And count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kind of quickly. We're going to turn that off. We're going to pull that key fob out. We're going to put the other key fob in right away. And we're going to press that button one more time. And we're just going to sit here and wait. A few things are going to power up. And look at that, the factory keypad code. So that is how easy it is. Don't overthink this. It doesn't matter if you have the door open. It doesn't matter about any of that. You don't have to clear any of these warnings. You just want to turn it to accessory. You don't want to start the car. And the key to this whole operation is when you put the first fob in, don't let it sit in there too long. I say about 10 seconds, and then quickly change it out to the second one, and then just wait. Again, you know, some people don't wait long enough. You saw how long it took on the video. It's not crazy long, but you gotta wait just a little bit for it to come up there. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do me a huge favor, click subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I make a video. And if you like this video, found it helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks everyone.